is enough for me.
It's been the longest time that I've been wanting to tell you that I got a job. And I feel that I cannot move on with videos, that I owe you so many. I cannot move on making videos without telling you this. Because it's such an important part of my life. Things have changed so much once again. And I want to be super transparent with you always. I just can't move on. I get stuck when I can't share very, very important things in my life with you guys. And this change is so big in my life that it's gonna impact the things I talk about, the new things I experience that are many, believe it or not, because I am re-entering the workforce as a senior. I never thought that I would get this job. There's so much I want to tell you. And I finally decided, you know what? I just have to do it in order to continue to create because things are stacking up. I'm telling you, I'm going to make a video about what's good about living in an RV, what's bad about living in an RV. And then here I am telling you that I got a job. I am now the manager of this beautiful, beautiful showroom. I suppose that's another reason why YouTube doesn't pay me. I suck at it. I really don't want to follow algorithms and see how many people have watched my videos and all of that stuff. It's not that I don't care. I really care because, I would like to eventually recover the investments that I have put in this channel money-wise. The algorithm, the views, and the subscribers, or the people that they unsubscribe for whatever reason, it matters, but it isn't what drives me to make these videos. Because if that was the case, that I make videos for the algorithm and for subscribers or views, then I should probably not be spending the time that I spend. Maybe I shouldn't even be making videos because I am a tiny, tiny channel in the world of YouTube. And that's okay with me. The way that my channel has grown, it has been organically, except for, my family and my close friends that I have demanded that they subscribe. Other than that, my channel has grown as little or as big, whatever you want to call it, organically. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like my life, my friends, my food. I like it all organic. Because I am learning. It's not that I'm not trying. I am trying to grow my channel. I am trying to improve myself. I am trying to improve my editing. I'm really, really trying. But I just don't want to be too much worried about the numbers. A few months back, I shared with you that I was getting concerned because I wasn't finding a new tenant for my condo in California. And also that I was thinking that maybe now that I'm in Utah for a long term, maybe I should be thinking of getting a job. It was at the end of last year. So anyway, I wanted to share with you that I did find a tenant, and then I started looking into, just out of curiosity, like the job thing. I wasn't 100% into it because I really wanted to continue to dedicate my time to my channel, but I'm learning that growing a YouTube channel can take forever for some of us, for the majority of us. Of course, there are exceptions of people that go viral, but I just want this channel to be a tool for somebody or entertainment, and for me, memories and family. But anyway, I think I have said that so many times. So the reason why I had been so slow about uploading videos is really not lack of content. I have so many things that I have already filmed. I have so many things that I want to share with you, and so many topics. So I'm not sure on that aspect. I am short on time. I share also with you that I am here to get my disabled son off the system that he is currently and to improve his quality of life in general. And that is taking not only an incredible amount of time, but also a big amount of money. And that was another incentive for me to get a job, because I have to have an attorney and I have to pay for half of my son's attorney. I feel very, very, very blessed that I got an amazing job. Most everything new is wonderful, new relationships, new partners, new jobs, new places, new homes. You get the point. I will tell you more details about it as I go, because I will tell you more things as I go. I'm trying to change angles so you don't get bored of seeing me in the same place. So anyway, about my job, so far is a dream job. And like I said, I do want to share more with you as time passes and as it is relevant, I'm very happy. I feel that I am doing the right thing, and the way I know is because the things that I need to happen are happening. So that to me is a good indication that I am on the right track. Therefore, I want to pursue the track that I am on. And I want to continue to share with you, because we all go through struggles and sometimes we feel there is no way out. So I am sharing my struggles with you to show you also the way out. And maybe you get creative and adapt it to your life. So I do want to share that. And I want to tell you that I'm working and improving my channel, and to be more consistent and find a new rhythm to my life, because changes are coming and I will continue to welcome them as long as they are good for my sons and my life. Let's change the angle again. Let's go talk in my bedroom. Oh, I love it here. Sometimes I feel like I want to raise the roof. And guess what? Look at the sun. Spring has finally arrived. It's too much sun, isn't it? I'm not complaining. It is not a complaint. I love my son. I don't want to make a super long video and bore you. I just want to give you a somewhat quick update and let you know that her soul vacation is working full time. And that's part of my soul's vacation, to have the freedom to do what I need to do, what I want to do, because sometimes and so many times things just don't turn out the way that we want them, and it has a lot to do with our own lack of freedom or lack of confidence that things can happen. I am gaining confidence. Now that I have a job, I feel that I have to, of course, stay in this area close to my job, because you know what? I'm not going to talk about that right now, because I want to make another video and talk about the adjustments that I need to make while I live full-time in my RV, because that's not going to change anytime soon. And I want to see how I juggle everything, how I adjust to working full-time, living in the RV, dressing for work, and all that stuff. A lot has changed. So I hope that interests you, and I also hope that it helps you. I think we can have it all. And I want to find ways to do that. And as I do, I want to share with you. For a change in the last few months, look at this. It makes me feel so happy. I'm going to say goodbye from my sunny bedroom. Thank you for watching. And I also want to encourage you to pursue the things that you need to do. Just do your life. Like all these young people say, oh, just do you. Yeah, and that they're right. Just do you, and believe that things that need to happen because they're good for your life or the life of someone else, they will happen. I am in that mode. I believe that I am being helped and blessed from up above because it is for a good reason. Anyway, without thank you for watching. Please come back for the next one. Ciao. Mwah.
When I'm struggling so bad, I'm lost in